Hello everyone, today we are going to see class 10 exercise 3.2 third sum. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is our first clue. Okay, and our second clue, if 3 is added. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. So we want to find the numerator and the denominator and that fraction, right? So fraction is nothing but numerator and denominator. Okay, so now numerator and denominator are unknown, so I'm going to take let the numerator be x, let the denominator be y. Okay, so the numerator is x and the denominator is y. So now we will see the clue. So a fraction becomes 9 by 11. So I'll write it becomes 9 by 11. How it becomes 9 by 11? If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. Here my numerator is x and my denominator is y. So I can write x by y. Now 2 is added. So I'm going to add 2 on both numerator and denominator. So if I do like this, my fraction will become 9 by 11. So this is my first clue. So I will write it here. Okay. So x plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. Okay. So 11 into x plus 2, 9 into y plus 2. So here I have just cross multiplied here. Okay. So on cross multiplying, I'll get this. So now multiply this inside. Okay. So if I multiply, I'll get 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. Clear? So now 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. So I'm going to keep the constants one side and all the variables on one side to form a linear equation. Okay. So 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4 will be my first equation. Clear? And so this is our first equation. Now moving on to second clue, they have given if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. First my numerator and denominator is x by y. So I'm going to add 3 to both numerator and denominator. So if I do like this, my fraction will become 5 by 6. So it is 5 by 6. If I do such kind of operation here, and my fraction will become 5 by 6. So I will write here same 3 plus x by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. So I'm going to just cross multiply. So 6 into 3 plus x is equal to 5 into y plus 3. Okay. So it is 18 plus 6x is equal to 5y plus 15. So I'm going to keep the constants on one side. So if I keep 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. Okay. So 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3 will be my second equation. So I have isolated the constants on one side. So I got both my equations. Okay. So now I'm going to take my first equation to substitute a value for x. So my first equation is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So you can also take second equation. Here I am taking first equation. So 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y. X is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. So here I have isolated x alone. So 9y So minus 4 plus 9y, I can also write it as in this way, right? So 9y minus 4, it both are same. Okay, so now I got a value for x, and now I'm going to substitute it in second equation. Substitute x in second equation. So 6x minus 5y minus 3 is my equation. Clear? So now I'm going to shift this minus 3 to here. First 6 into 9y instead of x. So 9y minus 4 by 11 minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is multiply 11 on both sides. Multiply 11 on both sides. So if I multiply 11 here into 11, and here also it's into 11. Okay. So if I multiply this 11 and this 11 will get cancelled. For example, 11 into 6 by 11. I will cancel this and I will get the answer as 6. Same to cancel the denominator here, because my 5y there is no denominator, and here is also there is no denominator, right? So to cancel this denominator, I am multiplying 11 on both on the whole equation. Okay, or else you can also multiply here itself, not an issue. Keeping these minus 3 on RHS also you can multiply. So here multiplying 11 on this equation, so I get 6 into 9y minus 4. So if I multiply, I'll get minus 55y plus 33 is equal to 0. Okay, so now multiply this inside. So 54y minus 24 minus 55y plus 33 is equal to 0. So now simplify this. So you will get minus y and minus 24 plus 33, it is plus 9 is equal to 0. So minus y, shifting this here, so I'll get minus 9. Minus minus will get cancelled in an equation. Okay, so y is equal to 9 is my answer. Okay, so now with the help of y, I can also find my x value on substituting in any one of the equation. Okay, so y is equal to 9. Substitute y in any one of the equation. I will take first equation itself. So 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4, right? So 11x minus 9 into 9 is equal to minus 4. So instead of y, I got my value as 9, so I just substituted here. So 11x minus 81 minus 4. Clear? So 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 81. So 11x is equal to, if I simplify this, I'll be getting 81, 77. Okay, so x is equal to 77 by 11. If I cancel, I'll be getting x is equal to 7. Clear? So x is equal to 7. So I got my fraction, which is y is nothing but the denominator, x is numerator. So the fraction is 7 by 9. Okay, 7 is my numerator, 9 is my denominator. Clear? So now, so our next sum, which is very important. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? So they are asking about present age of Jacob and his son. Clear? So first I'll form a tabular column, Jacob, son. Okay, so Jacob and son. Here I'll write their hence, ago, present. So I'll form a tabular column here. Just a rough tabular column. So first present age, I don't know their present age, so I'll write the let statement here. Let the present age of Jacob be X years. Let the present age of his son be Y years. Clear? So I don't know the age of Jacob and his son, so I have given a variable for this. So instead of here, I'm going to write for Jacob the present age is X, and for his son it is Y. Am I right? So first we have to analyze that 5 years hence is nothing but it talks about the future. Okay, it talks about the future which didn't happen, and ago in the sense it is about past. Clear? So for future or hence we'll always do addition. For ago it is past, it already happened, so I will subtract here. Clear? So keep this in mind. So 5 years hence the age of Jacob. So 5 years hence, what will be the age of Jacob? It will be X plus 5. Am I right? So if I am 30 years old, after 5 years I'll be 30 plus 5, which is 35. Clear? So same here, the present age. Now I am X years. After 5 years I'll be X plus 5. Same for his son. Now my age is Y. After 5 years it will be Y plus 5. Okay, ago in the sense, so here 5 years ago Jacob's age. So 5 years ago Jacob's age will be, so now I am 30. 5 years ago I was 25, which is 30 minus 5, I'll be getting 25. So now I am X years old. So 5 years ago I was X minus 5. And here same Y minus 5. Okay, so this is the age. Present age 5 years ago, 5 years after, which is 5 years hence. Okay, so now I can frame the equation. So what they have given, 5 years hence the age of Jacob. So I write here 5 years hence. So for 5 years hence we are going to write the equation. So the age of Jacob, which is X plus 5 will be, so will be is replaced by equal to symbol. Okay, so X plus 5 is equal to 3 times is nothing but 3 into that of his son. So son's age after 5 years is Y plus 5. Clear? So now I can write X plus 5 is equal to 3 into Y plus 5. Clear? So 5 years ago in the sense, 5 years ago what they have given, so Jacob's age, so 5 years ago Jacob's age was X minus 5, was is replaced by is equal to. So this will, was, and then is nothing but equal to in mathematical word problems and all. Clear? So was is replaced by equal to, 7 times is nothing but 7 into, and that of his son. So what is the age of his son after, ago 5 years? It is y minus 5. So now I can write x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. Clear? So x plus 5, 3 into y plus 5. So I'll solve this equation. So x plus y is equal to 3y plus 15. So keeping constants on one side, so x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5, which is 10. So this is my first equation. Clear? So first you have to put a rough tabular column, percentage, ago, hence. First write the ages and then go for the word problem. Clear? So next 5 years ago, which is x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5, right? So x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. So x minus 7y, 35 plus 5, which is minus 30, is my second equation. Clear? So now I'm going to assume some value. So I'll take x is equal to 10 plus 3y. Third equation, substitute 3 in 2. So instead of x, substitute 10y plus 3y. I'll first x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So simplify this, 10 minus 4y minus 30. So minus 4y is equal to minus 30 plus 10. So minus 4y is equal to minus 20. Minus minus gets cancelled. So y is equal to 5. Clear? So here it is minus, right? So minus 40. So y is equal to 8. Clear? So y is equal to 10. So after finding the y value, so our y value is y is equal to 10, right? Substitute y in any equations. I'll take first equation. Okay. So which is x minus 3y is equal to 10. So x minus 3 into 10 is equal to 10. So x minus 30 is equal to 10. So x is equal to minus 30. So it's 10 plus 30. X is equal to 40. So now I got my x value and y value. So x is nothing but Jacob's age. So the Jacob's age is 40 and his son is 10 years old. 10 years old. So that's all. So first you have to assume the percentage, and then your which is 5 years hence, 5 years ago, and put a tabular column. So put a tabular column and then you will proceed with the clues given in your word problem. Clear? So that's it. Thank you.